Welcome to the BOOSTA system. Today's product will be BOOSTA shampoo. Here are the key ingredients. This product creates weightless volume, gives a gentle cleanse, and is color safe. First, use desired amount depending on length and density of hair. Using fingertips, massage from root to ends. Rinse thoroughly. Continue with BOOSTA conditioner. Here are the key ingredients. Use desired amount depending on length and density of hair, and then starting from mid-length, work your way up to the roots. Use a comb to distribute evenly. Thoroughly rinse throughout the hair. Blow dry to desired style. Visit unitehair.com to see the entire BOOSTA system.